This is the condenser on my central air conditioning unit. It needs cleaning, so I'm going to try this product, Web Coil Cleaner. I haven't used it before, so let's see how it works. The unit also needs minor repair. We have a few damaged fins down here, and I'm going to show you how to fix those using a condenser film comb. First, turn off the air conditioner from the thermostat. The air conditioning needs to be off when making any repairs as well as cleaning the condenser. It remains off for about 2 hours after cleaning to allow the condenser to dry out. Make sure the unit is completely stopped running before moving on to the next step. Condensers, such as this one, usually have an emergency shutoff. We'll use this shutoff to ensure the condenser is safe to work on. Older models may not have this shut off. In this case, go to the fuse box and turn off the power from there. To access the fins on this model, I need to remove the protective grille. First I remove the top, which houses the fan, and set the part aside. Next I remove the grille and set that aside. Organic debris has built up around the outside. We'll sweep some of that away and use a compressor later to remove the rest. You can see the buildup of debris on the inside of the condenser as well. That needs to be removed before we can clean the unit with our Web Coil Cleaner. But before we deal with the interior, let's fix the fins. To do this, I need a condenser fin comb. The bristles are made of stainless steel and tightly packed together. This straightens the fins, which increases airflow. This increases the efficiency of the air conditioner. This is a condenser fin brush. You can see the bristles are farther apart and not as rigid. This tool is more of a cleaner than a fixer. The fin comb does remove caked on dirt as well, but if your fins just need a dusting off, you may be able to use this tool instead. The fins are thin and kind of delicate. Run the curved tips of the comb downward over the bent fins. Start just above the damaged area and move downward in a smooth motion to just past the damaged fins. Use the brush to clean away the dust and debris. Once that's done, we can move on. Now that our repairs are finished, we can clean the condenser. I'm going to clean out the outside using compressed air and a screwdriver. Hopefully I won't damage any of the fins. After that, we're going to use a shop vac and remove as much of the debris as I can from the interior. The next step is spray the interior of the unit with the coil cleaner. This is a foam application, and following the manufacturer's directions, I apply the foam to the interior. Dirt and debris reduces the efficiency of the condenser, and that makes for higher costs. Even something as simple as occasionally cleaning the fins can help reduce your cooling bills. According to the manufacturer, this product can also be used on evaporative coolers and window air conditioners. After the application, allow the foam to sit for several minutes. That's all she wrote. I let the foam sit for about 10 minutes. I am using a gentle spray to rinse off the foam, and it will rinse away the built-up dirt. Spray from the inside, keeping the spray toward the outside of the unit. Your HVAC system, that is heating, venting, air conditioning system, is a major component in your home. A few simple tasks such as sealing vents and filling in air leaks may have a positive impact on your heating and cooling costs. Once the condenser was dry, I put the unit back together. I used Web Coil Cleaner and I used the entire can. You may need more than one can for your condenser. The manufacturer advises cleaning your condenser twice a year, in the spring and again in the fall. Of course, take care of minor repairs to the unit such as straightening and dusting of the fins. With the condenser repaired and cleaned, I see a reduction in my cooling costs and my utility bills come summertime. I like the product we used, Web Coil Cleaner. It seemed to have removed a considerable amount of dirt, and the only supplies I needed were a fin comb for the repairs. This project was inexpensive and didn't take more than a few hours of my time. For the money I'll save, those are a few hours well worth it.